Hello students, my name is Grace Morrison and I'm Bryant and Stratton College's online librarian. If you need help with research projects, the virtual library, or APA format, please feel free to send me an email at cgmorrison@bryantstratton.edu. And so the purpose of this video is going to be for INFT124. I'm an instructor in this class and my students really struggle with this assignment. Basically what we're asking you to do is to put a paper in APA format. And at Bryant and Stratton, we all work in APA format. Some other colleges might ask you to work in MLA, APA, and Chicago Tribune and kind of switch you around, but we're going to stick with APA format. So for this assignment, I'm going to open these two links. These are the assignment instructions, and this is an example of what my paper should look like when I finish. You'll notice how clean and fresh that is, and it allows our instructors to focus on the ideas of what we're saying rather than the way something looks. So if we open this up, these assignment instructions, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the text of the assignment. So you're not actually writing anything, you're just fixing it. And then I'm going to open a blank document and I'm going to copy and paste that content. And I like to copy and paste without the formatting. That's what that does. So we're going to copy and paste that content and then switch it into APA format. So this is a boring looking paper. It doesn't look very nice. It's not super professional. So I took off that part right there, and this is the content of the cover page. And so we can go ahead and delete where it says name and title, because that's what it is. We don't need to be that repetitive. Course and today's date. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put my name here because I'm the student. My instructor's name is going to be, and today is November 23rd. Okay, so there's the content there, and that all goes on one page. And then I'm going to insert a page break because the content of my paper goes on a second page. So I don't need to leave text of the paper in there. And then I can insert another page break because my reference goes on the last page. I'm going to take out the instructional bit there. And now I'm going to format this. So everything is going to be Times New Roman 12-point font. And that is the case for generally everything that you turn in the academic world. So now I've done that. Everything is Times New Roman 12-point font. And then I also need to double space everything. So I will right click and hit paragraph. And I'm going to take off this odd after spacing piece and pick double and hit OK. So now I'm about halfway done with everything I need to do. I'm going to center the content of the cover page on the cover page. And then I'm going to indent my paragraphs here. I'm going to center the word reference. And then I'm going to highlight my reference and make that what is called hanging indent. And for some reason it wants me to set it up like this. And here I can go from this point and I can verify from the example, okay, I need to make that bold and I still have to add my header in my content. And this is bold as well. Those appear to be the only differences as I'm double checking myself, is that was bold. And then I need to insert a header. And I want to do this as a page number so that it repeats it on every page. And for some reason it came out blue. We don't want a blue number 1 up there. We want this to be black, and we want that to be Times New Roman as well. And so now my example looks exactly like the example provided. And I can save this and upload it in Blackboard and get 100% for my INFT124 instructor.